In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide the sidebar in Figma. This simple trick can significantly enhance your design workflow by giving you more space and reducing distractions, helping you focus purely on your creative work. To begin, you'll first need to navigate to Figma. Whether you're working on an existing project or starting a new design file, simply open up your Figma application or access it through your web browser. Once your design file is loaded, you'll typically see the standard Figma interface. This includes your main canvas in the center, where all your design magic happens, and on the left side, the familiar sidebar. This left sidebar is incredibly useful, as it houses your Layers panel, Assets panel, and Pages list, providing quick access to all the structural elements of your design. However, there are times when you need to maximize your canvas space, perhaps to get a clearer, unobstructed view of your entire design, or simply to immerse yourself more deeply in the visual aspects without the Layers or Pages panel occupying valuable screen real estate. This brings us to our next step, which is to minimize the UI. Once you're in your Figma file, direct your attention to the very top left corner of your screen. You'll see the main Figma menu icon, which is typically the F logo. Just to the right of this menu icon, you'll find another small icon. This icon is specifically designed to toggle the visibility of your user interface elements, including the sidebar. It often looks like a small square with an arrow pointing inwards, or sometimes like a simple carré, indicating a collapse or expansion action. Click on this Minimize UI icon. As soon as you do, you'll notice an immediate change. The entire left sidebar, along with the top toolbar, will instantly disappear. Your design canvas will expand dramatically, filling almost the entire screen. This provides a much cleaner, more expansive view of your current artboard and all its elements. It's fantastic for reviewing your work, presenting designs, or just giving yourself more room to breathe creatively. Don't worry, hiding the UI is completely reversible. If you need to bring back the sidebar to access your layers or assets, you have a couple of easy options. You can simply click the exact same Minimize UI icon again in the top left corner. It acts as a toggle switch, bringing all the UI elements back into view. Alternatively, for a quicker workflow, you can use a keyboard shortcut. Pressing Command plus backslash on a Mac or Control plus backslash on a Windows machine will also toggle the UI visibility instantly. This shortcut is incredibly handy once you get used to it, allowing you to fluidly switch between focused work and detailed panel management. By learning to hide the sidebar, you gain more control over your workspace, allowing you to tailor your environment to the task at hand, whether it's detailed component editing or a broad overview of your entire project.